Hey guys, it's Christy with WTI, and I am so excited to show you the most beautiful way to display your photos. So allow me to introduce you to the Umbra Infinity Frame. Look at how stunning this design is. I am in love. So it's so simplistic and modern. Such clean lines, which is what I love. It's really easy to use. There's these 4 rubber pieces that you take off the back, and then there's 2 pieces of glass, so you separate the glass and insert your photo. But what's even cooler is there's 2 different ways you can display this. It comes with a stand that screws on, and you can have it set on a stand on a shelf somewhere, or you can hang it on a wall. And honestly, I'm not sure which way I'm gonna display it yet because I love them both so much. And then on the back, you can see here, they make it so you can hang it either way. So if you've got portrait or landscape photo, it doesn't matter. It's gonna allow you to hang it either direction, but the possibilities of home decor are going crazy in my head. I'm so ready to make a portrait wall with several of these. I think it would look stunning and gorgeous. So if you're looking for the most beautiful way and modern way to display your photos, I love these. I think they're awesome. I think the design is brilliant, and I would definitely recommend them to anyone. And that's my point of view.